So today I'm going to be making a healthy, tasty strawberry banana smoothie. So Sakana won a part of the shout out and she requested for this smoothie. So today I'll be making her request. So these are the ingredients you'll be needing. So you'll need 1 cup of whole milk. You'll need 1 cup of strawberries. You can use frozen or fresh. You can use, we'll need 1 cup of bananas. You can use frozen or fresh. You will need sugar. You can use the amount you want. Today I'm going to be using 1 to 2 tablespoons. You'll need a spoon and a cup. So today I'll be using a hand mixer to make my smoothie. This recipe is delicious, healthy, and very, very quick. So first I'm going to add in my milk. Along with that, adding the strawberries. And our bananas. And now we're going to blend, and then after blending it, we're going to add in our sugar. So I added the bananas and strawberries in with the milk, and now I'm going to be blending it. So make sure to always have parent supervision while doing this. Okay. And now we're going to blend. Smoothie is very tasty. I'm just going to add a little bit more sugar. The strawberries have a little bit of sour to it, so I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar. Perfect. And this recipe was perfect for anybody, from babies to old grandparents. This is perfect. It's also very delicious. Recipe exactly made me 2 cups. So now we're gonna try it. The color is very pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna try it. That's very, very delicious. This is perfect on summer days. You can even drink it in the winter because it's very, very healthy. It was very delicious that I had to finish the whole cup. It's very, very tasty. So I just added strawberries and bananas today. You guys can add like any other fruits like blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. You guys can add anything. Just customize your own smoothie at home while the hard times outside and while we're bored inside. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like my video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!